This anti-snoring mouthpiece helps you to rest better. You'll actually get a better night's sleep, which improves productivity, enhances the immune system, increases athletic performance and even decreases the risk of heart disease and stroke. In 2008, Trina Webster reached a breaking point. Her husband, Dan, was a lifelong snorer. And it left Trina tired, sleep-deprived, and irritated beyond belief. Dan discovered an oral appliance therapy from his dentist. Even though it wasn't specifically designed for snoring, he discovered that it knocked his snoring out the very first night he used it. They worked closely with dentists and sleep experts to create the perfect prototype. Since then, Z-Quiet has helped millions of people around the world enjoy restful, snore-free sleep. Z-Quiet is extremely safe and effective. It's the only mouthpiece that provides natural jaw movement so you don't have to sleep uncomfortably all night with your teeth clenched. Join the thousands of people who are already sleeping better every day. Click below for more information.